everyone. My name is Professor Benjamin, and I will be your instructor for this 10-week course. This is an asynchronous course, which means we do not have structured times where we meet, but it is a 10-week course, which means it is at an accelerated pace. So there will be about 2 or 3 weeks throughout the semester where we cover 2 sessions for that week instead of 1 session per week. So this is Introduction to Human Geography, and we're going to cover a ton of material, wonderful material content that's going on today. So it's definitely something that you will be able to use in your everyday life. Here are the learning outcomes for the course, and here is how this course meets the cultural and interpretation learning outcomes. This course is an open educational resource course, which means all of the materials are given to you, and in about a minute I'll show you where you can locate the textbook. It is a downloadable file. Below that are my office hours. So these are my office hours for the semester. I teach 5 days a week on campus, so I am kind of in a little bit of a tight position for office hours, but as always, I'd be more than happy to try and meet with you. If you can't meet these office hours, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll try and fit you in on another day at another time. The syllabus is located here, and it's absolutely, of course, essential for you to read the syllabus. The last page of the syllabus actually contains the course schedule for the semester, so if you look here, it'll probably take about a minute to open up because it is a large file. You want to make sure that you read through the entire file before you start this course. And on the last page of the syllabus, it gives you a course outline that you want to look at and follow because it gives you all the materials you need. You can put all these dates in your phone, and you can see that week 2, week 3, and then week 5 of the semester after we return from spring break, and week 7 of the semester, we cover 2 sessions per that week. So it's important for you to make sure that you allocate enough time on those 2 weeks to complete the work, okay? There's a lot of other material in here about dropped grades. I do not give extensions, etc. So you want to make sure you read over the syllabus. So how is the course set up? Well, the course is set up in modules. So we use this module tool over here. Here is the textbook file. For all of our posts in this class, we use sourcing. I'm a big believer in sourcing. You need to use sources I have given you. You cannot use outside sources. You cannot Google. You cannot look up outside stuff. Everything that you need to succeed and sources that you need to use are found within the module. So the PowerPoint, the textbook chapter reading, and additional materials I give you for each week. The course is set up with forum posts. You'll have 4, every week you have at least 1 forum post due for me. Sometimes you have 2 forum posts due. All of the forum posts are due by Tuesday each week, and then the response post to a classmate by Thursday. On those weeks that we have 2 weeks, you need to have 2 initial posts, 2 response posts. We will have 4 tests throughout the semester, and those tests are on material we cover. All of the questions are given to you ahead of time in the to-do list. So for each week, you'll see there's a to-do list that you're going to want to look at that gives you an overview of what you have due for the week and the content that we're going to cover. And in there, at the bottom of the to-do list, are the questions that will be on those 4 tests. You are given 1 drop test. You are given 2 drop forum posts. And then besides that, we have 4 assignments due throughout the semester. The first 2 assignments, you will be allowed to choose one of those 2 to revise at the end of the semester. So you are given a chance to make that up. All of the assignments are due by Thursday each week. If you can submit them up to Saturday, but it is a 10-point penalty per day. Okay, and as you can see, the first week you have here's the description, here is the description, here is the information that you will need. So you'll see that the introduction, like the to-do list, tells you the chapter that we're going to read for the section, the parts of the chapter of the textbook you need to read, the additional PowerPoints, and then it gives you information on what's due. Okay, you'll see the first week we have due. Besides the forum post, we also have certification of syllabus, so that's important. Hopefully I'll have time and I'll put up a video lecture for the first week, but all the other weeks I have a video lecture that goes along with it, so that'll help you walk through what to do that week. But I know the first week a lot of students are overwhelmed, so a video lecture sometimes doesn't help them. I do have additional videos in the PowerPoint. I use a lot of videos from an individual called Mr. Sin, and he does a fantastic job of describing a lot of the content in the course. So if you watch those Mr. Sin videos, you probably don't need my lecture for the first week. And the first week's always a stressful week for everyone to get into context. The second week, you'll see we have our first assignment due, and you can see, so besides the forum post, we have an assignment due, and you'll actually see under the assignment that we have these walkthrough videos, and these walkthrough videos tell you my expectations for the assignment. So it actually walks you through the assignment. It goes through the rubric, it goes through what I really want from the assignment, so it's really important that you look over that. And you'll see once you open the assignments that I'm really detailed on what I want, and the rubric is within the assignment. And you'll actually see if you need help, there's additional videos that will help you with information as well. So there's a lot to cover, of course. This intro video is just kind of give you an overview of the course and where things are located. As always, if you have questions, you're more than welcome to reach out, and I'm more than happy to help you. But you can see here under this course information, here's the text. Here are how you submit an assignment to me, the directions for initial forum posts. We don't just submit anything in this class. It has to be at least 300 words, paragraphs, sources I've given you, etc. You'll see the directions for response posts. They have to be at least 200 words. You agree, you disagree, and why. And then there's a couple other things here. We use Turnitin in this course, and also you're going to need to use the library. So there's some information here on how to access the CCP library and databases. And so I know this is a lot. It's just kind of a brief overview on how you're graded. So remember, you're graded on forum posts, 4 tests throughout the semester, and assignments. And remember, you have 4 assignments there. The forum post, you get 2 dropped, the test, you get 1 dropped, and the assignments, you are not given any drops. The second chance that you're given is the fact that you are able to revise one of the first 2 assignments at the end of the semester. It's really important that you read the syllabus, so take a look at that syllabus. And I hope you enjoy the course material. It is an unbelievable class. So many current events we will cover in this class. And again, I hope you enjoy the material, and I look forward to starting this journey with you.